So where are the snails, Lucci?
Alex,
Just don't touch them. That's gross.
Alex, there we got squished.
Well, wait,
It's
no.
still moving, it's still moving. Alex. So what? Alex, leave it like this. Because Grandma was gonna think that we opened it. This one cord right there. Oh no! You guys can get in big trouble, but not me.
Not these. Stop shooting with the gun.
Oh, you guys can get in trouble, but not me.
Did you smush the worm?
No, it's still moving. Its head's moving.
Bruh.
Whoever does that stuff is gonna leave the outside and
That's just gross.
What about we just dig and find one? Looking at it.
Maybe. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. What?
We even found a bug. And we killed it, but
Bro, there was a beehive somewhere around here. I want to show them. But right now I have to, you know.
that black pig right there?
What? What black thing?
That right there, where the crowbars. That's a piece of a beetle, and this is the body right there. That's the body.
Ugh, that's gross. Well, guys, I want to show you the beehive that we found like a couple of weeks ago. Looks like a bee.
Alex, we even found a wasp.
I can climb a ladder.
Want to look at the
Look.
wasp?
I don't even want to. But, oh god.
Hey guys, want to see a wasp?
One time, yesterday I just dropped. At night, I dropped a couple. I was running to the Fruit Loops just to put Fruit Loops in whipped cream. Shh. What? What?
This.
Oh, is a ladder?
See.
I'll climb this one. It's okay. But guys, one time. Oh. Where? Why are you going close to it? You know when you bother it, it's gonna.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Lucci, stop! Lucci, stop! I did not put on my pants today. Okay, but guys, one time. Oh my god! Just a minute. It's not gonna sting me.
Why?
Run.
Why I have a lump?
Okay. One time, guys, I was trying to get a couple of waffles. I was getting waffles, and I wanted some Fruit Loops to put it with whipped cream. And then I slipped, and I hit my head on the table. And it didn't hurt. I mean, it did hurt, but it didn't hurt. Like, I'm surprised it didn't knock me out. And I didn't even drop my waffles.
And the uncle's like, are you?
I'm pretty sure I was trying not to drop them. Like, I was held like this. I was on the floor.
What about we take that pumpkin again?
Oh, if you want to, but I just raised them up, and I was like, oh wow, I'm surprised you didn't drop your waffles, and I'm surprised too. Surprised I didn't get knocked out. Just because my head's so big, my skull's. But I wish I would have recorded that, but nope.
Where's the pumpkin?
Alright. There's a wasp. There's a beehive, and I'll be right back. I can't climb my whole corner. I think if I don't. Oh yeah, it's right here.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's old or still in use, but I'm pretty sure.
There might be bees in there, so don't go close.
Well, there's no honey, so it's not like an original one. It's like a home bee or something. I don't know. Haven't been to school for a while. Thanksgiving break, so yeah, we'll have to find out when to get back to school. We learn about bees, or just search on the internet.
Wrong.
I already saw that. What are you talking about?
We're looking at the word then.
I'm in trouble.
Where do you think it's moved?
I didn't even touch all of them.
Grandma even squished some.
Bruh, the worm's dead.
That right there is squished. No, it's still moving. What about yeah? We have to kill it.
No, don't kill it. It's nature. You're gonna kill nature? What?
Yeah, Grandma doesn't like
I've seen you in a while.
Our mom doesn't like these snails.
Mom, no.
Ew.
No. They deserve to live free. And also these snails
deserve to live free.
No, stop. Stop. Stop! No! Don't kill them. Oh, did I squish a snail? Oh god, oh god, oh
You
god.
squished one right there.
Here we go, Dave.
Dude, they're not even moving.
I know, but you never know if there's snails in there or not. But I guess rest in peace, little buddies. That's the only reason I came here to record. I just wanted to show you guys. But yeah.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
I'm gonna kill him.
Okay, I don't care. Whatever. Okay, that's just. Oh god. All right. Well, now I'll play Fortnite. Just because we have this doesn't mean we have a lot of Loopsy toys. I mean, we do, but it's gone.
I even want to show you. My uncle gave me this.
Did it come with the costume?
Yeah.
You bought those costumes for no reason. Now we have to use them next year because we didn't go trick-or-treating this year. Because Effie's cheat. I mean, he couldn't take us because of the rain. Bobby, what are you doing? There's ants in there. Oh, God. You like it when I come out?
Yeah, because it's funny. Because you're funny.
I don't even do anything. All I do is record. So here's my everyday life. Whee!
You act funny and you tickle me.
Oh, really? Okay, I'll tickle you right now. Payback. What are you doing? I was trying to scare you, bro. Naughty. Guys, there's ants in there. What? Oh my god. Okay. Well, they're touching it. I'm not. Well, guys, I'm leaving now. So, bye. Thanks for watching. If you did like it, comment, like, and subscribe. Just Lex Kitty here. Bye.